World Food Day. Yes, every year on October 16th, we celebrate World Food Day. And no, it's not celebrated because of the variety of food that we consume each day, but in order to increase the awareness about the prevailing global hunger in the world and to urge the governments and countries to come together and to do something about this very, very, very critical problem. So, welcome to the second episode of Before the Dawn show, and today we are going to talk about the World Food Day. World Food Day is celebrated in order to honor the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations. Along with that, World Food Day is also celebrated in order to increase the awareness about the prevailing global hunger in the world. And yes, only hunger of food is included here, not any other hunger. So the history of World Food Day goes like this, that in 1979 all the member countries of Food and Agriculture Organization, they came together and proposed to the General Assembly that they should celebrate World Food Day in order to increase the awareness among the world about the prevailing global hunger problem. Then in 1980, United Nations General Assembly ratified that decision. Just like in our home, the General Assembly used to gather on the dining table and they decide what we are going to eat the next day. And then in 1981, on 16th of October, World Food Day was celebrated for the first time. And each year, World Food Day has its own theme. And 2020 theme of World Food Day is Grow, Nourish, Sustain, Together. Our action are our future. The Global Hunger Index is a tool which calculates the hunger prevailing in a particular country based on 4 factors. I will give you the link of the official website in the description of this video, and you can go and check out some facts which are currently the current facts about the global hunger prevailing in our world. So the Global Hunger Index calculates the hunger prevailing in a particular country on 4 factors. First is undernourishment. Undernourishment means that portion of the population which takes calorie way less than it is necessary, than it is required to sustain them. Second is child stunting. Child stunting means children who are below the age of 5, whose height is way less according to their age. Third is child wasting. Child wasting means children under the age of 5 whose weight is way less according to their height. And fourth is child mortality. The Global Hunger Index ranks a country from 0 to 100, and the greater the number will be, the greater the trouble. Just like the cases of COVID, huge numbers means huge trouble. In fact, you should know that every year sufficient food is produced, and that food is sufficient to feed the entire population, yet millions of people go to bed every night hungry. And it's quite shocking to know that the very farmers who produce food for us, most of them live under the constant anxiety about the scarcity of food, just like those middle class people who earn money through their hard work each month, and yet they live under the constant anxiety about their budget. When we talk about the food hunger, we also need to talk about obesity. In fact, obesity and hunger are 2 sides of the same coin. According to a report which was published on 1st of April 2020 on World Health Organization's website, to which I will give you the link of that report in the description of this video, and you can go and check out some facts of obesity which is prevailing in our world right now. So according to the World Health Organization, since 1975, obesity has increased three times over. In fact, in 2016 alone, 1.9 billion people were overweight, and among that 1.9 billion people, 650 million people were obese, and all of these people were 18 or above. One interesting fact about obesity is that it can be avoided, except in some exceptional circumstances. In some exceptional cases, it can be avoided if one can bring some major changes to his or her lifestyle. In fact, food to those people is like a lottery which they win easily, but when they receive the prize money, they receive the prize money in 500 and 1000 rupee note, without knowing that from the very next day that 500 and 1000 rupee note will get banned across the country, and that 500 and 1000 rupee note just becomes a dead weight. So now you know to whom you should serve food and from whom you should snatch food in order to save their health. That's why eat your food, just don't get too greedy about it.